Let's take a look at the exterior first. Next, let's unbox and take a look at the physical display. You can see that the whole machine is very cool, as well as its related accessories. Let's move on to the function display. Connect the earth cable and earth clamp. Reconnect the welding cable and electrode holder. Press the on-off key. The current size can be adjusted. Accessories included: battery, charger, next, we will connect the battery and the device. Finally, let's take a look at the action screen.